Okay students, this is a video for the previous image what we had, what I had sent you. Fine. So the question we'll just have to analyze it prior to going for. Okay, again there is a 5 marks question. Anandeshwar Bank Limited. Okay, we'll go with the transactions what they have given. Again, interest and discount. This is earned by the bank, so it will come under Schedule 13, that is income. The next one is income on interest on borrowings from RBI, in the sense whatever they had taken a loan, Anandeshwar Bank Limited has taken a loan and on that they are paying the interest, so it will come in what now, interest expended, so that is what, Schedule 15. The next one is what, income on investment. So income on investment will come under interest earned. Whatever the Anandeshwar company has investment done, okay, on that they are earning a income for it. So that is what, income on investment comes under Schedule 13. Interest on deposit, again in the same fashion, that is what, interest on deposit which is expended, in the sense what, the people have kept the deposit and on that they are paying the interest, so it is a kind of expenditure for them. The next one is what, interest on balances with RBI. Interest on balances with RBI is what, again they are earning a interest, okay, whatever they have kept the money in RBI. The next one is what, commission and exchange. This is very important, this will be under Schedule 14, that is what, other income. Then comes salary and allowances to staff. The next one is what, traveling expenses, directors fees, auditors fees, all are day-to-day expenses which will come in the Schedule 16, operating expenses. The last item, that is profit and loss account, that is the previous year profit, which will come under your directly into your format. Clear? Other information, that is all provisions are there, that is provide, provision and again provision. All this under will come under provisions and contingencies, like previous problem what we have done it. Okay, students, please do understand it. If there is any problem, give me a call, I am there with you. Fine, we will go with the solution of it now. So solution which I have solved it, that is working notes, interest earned. What all will come under Schedule 13 we have seen, and that we have to total it up, we have to put it over here. Schedule 14, other income, commission and exchange, is only one item under this. The next one is what, interest expended, that is interest on deposit, interest on borrowings from RBI. Clear? Now these all things we have to put it down under the things and then post it. The next one is what, operating expenses, salary, traveling, directors fees and auditors fees. The total of it we have to directly put into the format. The next format looks like this way, Sri Anandeshwar profit and loss account of so and so. The next one is what, income, whatever we have done a total from here, okay, we have to take it over here into your format. 5 lakh 40 plus 6 lakh 60,000 will fetch me 6 lakhs. Then expenditure is 2 lakh 40, 7 lakh 78, 1 lakh 2, that will give me 4 lakh 20. So we have to get profit and loss account, net profit for the year, that is what, 6 lakhs minus 4 lakh 20, that is 1 lakh 20. Then comes profit, that is to be taken directly from your information, that is 1 lakh 20. So 1 lakh 80 plus 1 lakh 20, that will fetch me 3 lakhs. Now very important, appropriation compulsory, if they won't give also in the notes, that is what, your adjustment or other information, we have to do what, 25% of the net profit, that is 1 lakh 80. 1 lakh 80 ka 25% will come down to something 45,000, sorry, okay, 45,000. Then comes your balance carried to balance sheet, that is how, 3 lakh minus 45,000, that is what, 2 lakh 55, and the same figure should come down over here to make a total of it. Clear? This is what a 5 marks ka one more problem what we have solved it. Students, please go through it again. Once again I am requesting you, okay, I will be taking attendance on this basis itself. You have to write it down and show it to me later on once the college starts. Clear? Thank you.